Hi there, today we're looking at the Melgeek Pixel, which is a Lego styled mechanical keyboard. That's right, a Lego styled mechanical keyboard. And actually Melgeek have made quite a variety of really clever, really innovative, really creative mechanical keyboards, but this I think has to be absolutely the pinnacle. This is just amazing, and it's available, it's being funded now. So first of all, it comes in this pretty cool little box. Look at that. I mean, you probably want to keep the box as well. It's a great box. But what's inside it is a USB-C mechanical keyboard. Interestingly, it comes with these little stickers which you put together, not stickers, sorry, these little insets which are Vincent van Gogh paintings. So I guess you can put those under the keycaps. But here we go. So this is the Pixel World keyboard. Now check this out. It literally is a mechanical keyboard with a great feel, great keycaps, but check out the Lego-y look and feel. And if I take this keyboard out of the box, oops, bear with me as I do this one-handed. Okay, here we go. Right, so it's a mechanical keyboard, and you can see the raised bumps. It literally is a Lego style keyboard, and you can put all your Lego pieces on it. You can see it's a USB-C connection, and actually it has a battery as well, so it can be used wirelessly, Bluetooth connections. Okay, and it also has some RGB options. Turn this on and we can see lighting effects. We can slide that. Haven't quite figured out all the options yet. We can see when we have RGB on, we get a little flashing there as well, and that's where our other indicators are. And these keys, like you would expect from a great mechanical keyboard, can be easily pulled off and substituted with your other preferred keycaps if you like. But yeah, so Lego style keyboard, underneath another big board of Lego. But here we also get these great accessories that come with it. So this first one is our USB cable, and even that has a pretty nifty aesthetic about a bit of a Lego-y look. And of course then, well, a USB-C wireless dongle. So if your computer doesn't have Bluetooth, you can use this as an adapter. A little key extraction tool, because of course Melgeek is serious. I mean, first and foremost, they are a mechanical keyboard company, manufacturer, who just happen to make really, really innovative, really creative mechanical keyboards. And I think this Lego one, the Melgeek Pixel, is just astonishing. And then we have several other little boxes here which have a variety of Lego pieces in them. It opens on the side here. So, I mean, it would be an unusual household that didn't already have a raft of Lego, but here we go, you get all these Lego pieces and more Lego pieces and more Lego pieces that you can use to decorate your keyboard with. So this is incredible. This is the Melgeek Pixel, a really full-featured, really serious, hardcore mechanical keyboard for those who love their mechanical keyboard, and I'm one of those. Love a good, responsive, solid mechanical keyboard. Those who are into mechanical keyboards know what I'm talking about, just that feel and that solid clack of the keyboard. But also the keys are fully interchangeable. It's battery operated. You can use it plugged in via cable. You can use it wirelessly. You can use it via Bluetooth. It's got RGB lighting. But it's also a keyboard that you can decorate absolutely in any way you want. You can put all your minifigs on it. I mean, this is truly Lego bumps here. Some Lego comes in the box, but any Lego you have, you can use. And I noticed as well this Vincent van Gogh painting, which I assume the intention is you can slide it under the little keycaps if you wish to have that background. But anyway, yeah, it's awesome. So this is the Melgeek Pixel.